Morning, young Groms. We are up, but we are moving slow today. Lot of surfing going down. We are very tired. Every day we've been sunrise sessioning, and sunset sessioning. It was super cold last night too. Like we just were so cold, so we kind of slept in. I actually slept last night in my Amazighi. It's like this Moroccan, very nice, warm piece of clothing. Yeah, it was super cold. The window's right here. I slept with the sheet on and this thing. Yeah, we're moving slow, but it's super cold out. I actually felt a raindrop too. I'm gonna get in my 4.3 today, and it's our last day, so we gotta rip it up. The wind's light, the tide's low, and we're out there. Definitely kind of cold out. It's like desert climate. It can get pretty chilly overnight, and that makes the water cold in the morning, so I haven't worn this 4.3 yet. I'm gonna wear it because it's dry and definitely want to stay warm for a sesh. This has kind of been the daily routine here. We wake up, we go to like this main point break that's like super powerful, and yeah, this is the wave I'm just having like a full-on like love affair with. I just love this wave so much, and it kind of never fails to disappoint, even if it's super crowded or even if the conditions aren't good. Like one of your waves will be sick. Dude, that's a sick one breaking through right now.
It's not that crowded. I'm surprised.
Everyone must be tired from yesterday.
Probably. They were all at that.
Look at that. It's pretty sick. All right, there's not much talking on these vlogs. Not much. The decisions aren't that hard. We're just gonna get out there. It's pumping. Dude, we could get like a pulled back shot of like me on the wave and that rainbow. That'd be insane.
We're gonna do it.
Get out there. was a tough session. The power is just not there. Gabriel was just saying. We've been surfing with Iago, his friend. They're from Spain, and Gabriel, he's from Italy. And he was just saying like the power is not here today. So these waves are a little tough to surf. Like the crowd is still here, but yeah, it's just not the same power. But we're stoked, and breakfast is like calling our names. Like breakfast is saving the day right now. I can't tell you how much fun we've just been having, like surfing, getting tired, and eating. Like eating has kind of been the best part of this trip. Surfing and like the water's a little chilly and you're burning a ton of energy. Like you just get to eat, and we're super stoked on breakfast right now. Oh, it's cleaner in here. Yeah.
What we got here? What Arabic terms have we learned in this trip?
We got inshallah, meaning
God willing.
God willing. We got masa Allah, which means God willed it.
Yes, sir.
And then alhamdulillah, which is like God made it happen.
Yes, sir.
Right.
All praise to God.
All praise to God. And then we got assalamu alaikum, which is like, may peace be upon you.
Oh, word.
And shukran, which is
Thank you.
thank you. And we got Ahi Ramadan Kareem, which is brother Ramadan the Honorable.
Have an honorable
Have
Ramadan.
an honorable.
Have a blessed Ramadan. There you go. You got it, bro. That's
Right.
a lot. Proud of you.
All right, we got Mo just changing in the middle of Times Square right now.
You're suiting up.
How you feeling for this sesh?
Honestly, I was feeling like crap. But after getting some caffeine in my system, some good breakfast, I feel great. I just hope the waves reward me for going out there. So it's gonna be a good sesh.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. So Lucas knows the vibes. Yeah, we're heading to the hash point. You surf there a couple of waves, and you're on the hash. You don't need no hash. You're on the wave hash. You feel so good. What are we trying to do? We're trying to keep things natural. Like our body produce the serotonin, the dopamine that we need.
Oh, my body's got so much serotonin this trip.
We don't need none of those external drugs and fixes, you know?
All I needed was that sun.
Yes, all we needed was a little sunshine and a couple of good waves. Come visit Morocco. Amazing food, amazing women, amazing drugs if you're into that stuff, amazing culture and vibes, amazing waves. And you're bringing in, if you're coming from the US or any of the European countries, you're bringing in the euros and the dollars, which is very powerful here.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Alhamdulillah.
Sahibi, Lucas.
Aki. Ramadan Kareem.
Ramadan Kareem. استوات فوتو بيتش.
كم للركوب؟
What?
لي فقط.
سيبلوغ لا فوتو.
السير هناك.
هناك اوكي.
كم؟
كم؟
With the surfboard.
اوكي تفضل.
How much?
How much? 300.
Oh, هذا غالي.
ها؟
He said 300.
300?
Yeah.
Nah, we can't do that.
Okay, كفي.
It's too much.
نعم.
It's
Too
too
much.
much.
Too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need maybe 30 seconds.
Okay, pas de problème.
30 seconds.
Okay, 150.
Can
Come.
do it 150?
Go.
All right, you got a deal.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
They give us our rides to the breaks we need to go, you know, because the roads and the path in these lands could be very tough at times. So for tough paths and roads, you need some tough conveyance. And no better conveyance is better than this ride right here.
Aki, it's a good one, Aki. So I'm just posted up here on this like nice little platform watching Mo surf and filming some of his rides. And like I just can't explain enough how like good the sun makes me feel. Like just literally sitting here, I don't have to be surfing necessarily, it makes me feel so good. and he's about to go on a wave, so let's see if we can get this on film.
Yeah guys, we surfed Hash Point. I think that was my favorite spot out of this whole trip because I caught a lot of waves. And the trick is actually riding a camel to your point break. That's the secret, honestly. It brings the juju, and have a cup of camel milk. Man, you're gonna have the best session in your life.
So we have a lot of sunscreen on, as you guys can see. We're at this wave, and it actually looks pretty good. A bunch of people just pulled up. Mo's suiting up right now. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm pretty tired, but definitely gonna paddle out here. Might try to take out the GoPro, get some clips on that thing, and yeah, we're just stoked. Here's a little wave going right now, and let's do it.
En España solemos decir que el peor baño es el que no te das. So let's go in always, wherever the conditions are. The worst bath is the bath that you don't make it.
All right, let's do it.
It won't be easy, but I'll try. And I won't say.
In his hut. He lives right here.
Nice.
So yeah, I was surfing, saw this little fish struggling on my last wave, and it has become our iftar.
You grabbed it?
Yeah.
No way.
It'll be our dinner.
Not you. You didn't catch it, he did.
Yeah.
He caught it?
Yeah, he was looking
No
from
way.
up top.
All right, let's eat it. We've been surfing all day, trying to get the most of this session. My GoPro was dead a little bit before, but we got a few clips. Got some GoPro clips, and the main point is looking super crowded and just bad vibes out there. So we might jump in here. The swell's kind of dying, and it's our last day, which is kind of as good of a scenario it gets. It's gonna be flat tomorrow when we're flying out of here, and for the next few days too. Some of the beginners we've talked to are stoked, but yeah, I've always wanted to just surf a new wave this trip. I wanted to surf like a new wave, and we've kind of been hitting the same spots over and over again, so I think this is a new spot, and I might go jump in.
Sunset, it's a Friday night. smoke a cigarette and put on a leather jacket. Walk fast like you're the king of the world, like you could get any girl. Well, baby, maybe you can. Film school and a bleeding mind. You swim with monsters, but you run out of time. You're a weekend hot shot. You're a weekend hot shot. You're a weekend hot shot, and I'm a weekend cool. Canyon and the punks on the beach. They don't know the maker, just Chrysler beats. Pick it out, what you're gonna wear. You know it better be 60s. You better tease up your hair. Full moon, lips and teeth. You fly on an interstate, catch it on your phone. Blew your mind on stupid drugs, but they were never enough.
That was sick. We were like running around trying to find the best spot, improvised. Really stoked to see this like new angle of the point. And yeah, pretty sick. Best like find of this trip board wise was that these uprights and a raked middle fin like work so well, and I'm just fell in love with this point break. We're gonna be back. Mark my words, we'll be back. We're gonna score it. I wanna surf it big, like double overhead on this thing. Maybe get like a rounded pin step up, but I'm so tired. We are so tired. We left no stone unturned. Every day, dawn patrol, sunset, till dark, and the last few people are coming in on the inside right now. I feel like I've been on like the biggest natural high, and just like finishing the trip, like I'm not sad. I'm just like so grateful for everything that happened. Want to give a huge shout out to Mohammed for shooting this whole trip. Absolutely epic. He got some sick waves himself, like progressed as a surfer. So much fun hanging out with him. And here's his Instagram below, so you can follow him, check out some of his work. And yeah, he's an aspiring doctor in his third year of med school. So we're just so fired up, and I just got like the best natural high, like the sunset, like glow of everything has got me feeling like just so stoked. And these surf trips are like saving my life. So I'm fired up, and we will see you on the next swell.
Yeah, look at that. Bye, friends.